Alright, welcome back to another video of Davian's phone collection. Today we are going to be doing ringtones on the LG 44OG that I got on November 2014 along with the LG MP3. I'm recording on the LG Rebel 3 right now. It's gonna be freaking epic. Now let's get on to the video. Now as you can see, we go to audio in this one. Sorry for the audio issues. Now that's gonna do it with me with the ringtones for the LG 44OG. The next ringtone that I'm going to be doing is for the BlackBerry Classic. As you can see right here, I activate flashlight mode because the battery is low right now on this phone because it has a bad battery. Now that's going to do it with me with the ringtones for the LG 44LG. Sorry for the frames per second and audio issues. This is Davian's phone collection. Thank you for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment. Now see